Okay, so we're looking at this 10.64 and basically how to use the table. Okay, so what we have and what I'm going to take you through is this one right here. Okay, you see we've got the x1 minus x2 over 10, right? So we're looking at the 0.2. Okay, and we're going to use this on a 0.05. Okay, that's our one-tailed t-test. Okay, and our degrees of freedom are number 9. So I'm going to follow this 9 on degrees of freedom right here, and the curve up and around like that. Okay, and I wanted to, highlight it. I ended up trying to erase it. Okay, so we're dealing with that one basically. Okay, and then we go to our 0.2, which is going to be on the x-axis, is our difference in x's. So our 0.2 is, that's 0.4, that's 0, so 0.2 is right there. Send that up the line. Okay, that's about as good as I'm going to get. Okay, and we find that point of intersection between the 9, which kind of gets cluttered in there, but it looks like it's like right there. Okay, so we're looking for that point, and it's about 0.8586, right? 8, whatever. They're saying it's 0.84. Close enough. So let's look at the next one. We're at 0.05. Where's that? That's right here. Okay, so we go up that line, and we're looking for the intersection between that and our 9 on degrees of freedom. Okay, and so that would be right here, it looks like. Okay, and it says 0.5. Well, it looks like it's a little bit lower than 0.5, but right in there is good, I guess. Okay, so that's at 0.5. Okay, so then it says for 1, okay, and we go to 1, which is right here. We go up from there. Let me get that. Okay, 1, and we're just going to go up from there. Okay, see if I get that line set up. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay, and then that's that point of intersection right there, which is 0.1. Okay, so that's how you answer using the table on 10.64. Good, thank you.